Very good, my YouTube people. Today we will be drawing Goku doing the Genkidama step by step in the easiest way possible of all YouTube. So I hope to give a nice like, a nice comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll start with this. So let's give it to you. I want you to pay attention because this drawing is going to be a little complicated, so pay close attention. As you can see, we're drawing the shape of the face. Now we are going to draw what will be the torso, the body. Let's draw this line that will indicate the position of the body. By the way, if you want to send me your drawings, chat with me. You can do it on my Facebook page, which will be appearing up here. So, you know. And since you're there, go ahead. That would help me a lot. By the way, some Dragon Ball objects will be hidden in this video. If you can find them, comment below in the comments box. We are going to draw these two circles. If you notice them, they are slightly smaller than the head circle, and these two that I am going to draw below are to connect the arms at the same height, and if they are fixed, they are smaller. That the initial two circles we drew, well, now this line to make the pose of Goku charging the energy for the Genkidama. And here we are going to make this little box that is going to be the bandage that Goku has on his arms. And now this figure will help us later detail the arms. By the way, if you want me to greet you, just comment below in the comments box, greet me, and I will greet you well. Once all this is done, let's slightly detail this part, which will be the neck muscles. Let's not go into so much detail. Here with simple figures, we are going to shape what the arms will be. Be careful, we are not going to detail much, we are simply going to give shape to what the arm is, Goku's arms making the Genkidama drawn with a pencil. Step by step. Here we are going to begin to detail the eye. This part is important, so pay attention. This part is after we have the left eye, we are going to follow the silhouette of the daughter to get an idea of more or less where the other eye will go. Once all this is done, and here the nose will be born, and we make this triangular shape and very close the nose to the mouth. Let's make Goku smile like this. Now let's go into detail. Whatever the hair will be, the hair will be born from this line that I just drew. We're going to make Goku base state because mostly what Goku is doing, the Genkidama, is in his base state. So we're going to do it like this. Merely this drawing, I have to admit that it is a little advanced. It is not for beginners. So if you can draw it. I invite you to send it to my Facebook page so I can see it to give you advice and talk for a while. So, you know, here we are shaping what hair is. As I say, I'm not going into much detail. I'm simply making the corresponding figures, and we're going in the very characteristic line. Here we give a little shape to what the pectorals are, this part. We are going to draw what the shoulder is, And here, where the dixel is born in this way, and here a little bit of shape to the trixel and this other part of the muscle, well, we are going to detail a little what the clothes are, the band that Goku has in his arms. On this side, we're going to do the same. Here in this part, we are going to detail what clothing is. Doesn't that have much science, because we are going to be guided by the figure that we initially draw for the torso, and in this way we are shaping what is our favorite Saiyajin, which is Goku. Well, my case, my favorite Saiyajin character is Vegeta. So I ask you, what is your favorite Dragon Ball character? Here we are going to draw this shape because it is going to be Goku's clothes that are destroyed. This gives a lot of personality to what the drawing is. And not only this, but now we are going to give shape to what the hand is, the hands. And after the hand, we are simply going to make this line that is going to be a reference to what the Genkidama is. And with the pencil, we are going to give it a little detail, like it is throwing energy in this way. So remember to make some lines farther and one shorter, that is one longer and one shorter, like this. And what would be left would be to add details. So editor and epic music, let's add detail. And God bless me today, tomorrow, and always. Bye bye.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap.